Can technology help me build a sensor that can alert authorities about leaks in main water pipes? Can we build a technology that can help us increasing the longevity of food items? When we think, we innovate. When we innovate, we solve real-world problems. To realize Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Bharat being the next global innovation hub, the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell has been organizing the Smart India Hackathon for the last 6 years, which has now acted as a seed, nurturing a dynamic ecosystem that can incubate innovative ideas at their nascent stages and turn them into a fruitful, scalable ventures, paving the way for Viksit Bharat at 2047.
मुझे खुशी है कि देश की नौजवान पीढ़ी देश के सामने मौजूदा चुनौतियों के सॉल्यूशन देने के लिए दिन रात एक कर रही है। पहले जो हैकाथॉन्स हुए उनसे मिले सॉल्यूशंस बहुत कारगर रहे हैं। हैकाथॉन्स में शामिल कितने ही स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने स्टार्टअप भी शुरू किए हैं।
This year's Smart India Hackathon is even bigger and better. The innovation movement that started with Smart India Hackathon has now resulted into multi-dimensional programs focusing on 4 key aspects. Long-term hand-holding of institutions and young innovators. To facilitate hand-holding, the institution's Innovation Council has been established in more than 14,500 higher educational institutions, along with conducting 3.2 lakh programs on ideation, pitching concepts to investors, etc. The IIC also tracks the progress of institutions and young innovators throughout the year. Considering the success of IICs, school innovation councils are also established in over 13,000 schools. SICs are working in close collaboration with the Atal Innovation Mission and tinkering labs for a more comprehensive impact. Right policy intervention to incentivize innovation and entrepreneurship.